Ever wonder how those free apps you use actually keep the lights on? Especially something like PocketGuard that claims to help you manage your money? I mean, you download it, link your accounts, and suddenly you've got this beautiful, clear picture of your spending. But where's the catch? How does PocketGuard, seemingly giving away powerful financial tools, actually make money? It's a question a lot of us have, and honestly, it's a smart one to ask. We're so used to the idea of free digital services, but nothing is truly free. There's always a business model behind it, and understanding that model is crucial, especially when it involves your personal finances. So, let's peel back the layers and see how PocketGuard operates. The core of PocketGuard's revenue stream revolves around partnerships and affiliate marketing. Think of it like this: PocketGuard analyzes your spending habits and financial situation. Based on that analysis, they can identify potential areas where you might benefit from other financial products or services. For example, they might notice you're paying high interest on a credit card. They could then recommend a lower interest card from a partner bank. When you sign up for one of these recommended products through PocketGuard, they receive a commission. This is affiliate marketing in its simplest form. It's a common practice, and it's not inherently bad. It's how many review websites and blogs make money. The key is transparency. PocketGuard also offers a premium subscription, PocketGuard Plus. This is their direct revenue stream from users. For a monthly or annual fee, you unlock additional features like enhanced budgeting tools, custom categories, and debt payoff planning. This subscription model provides a stable, recurring income stream independent of partnerships. Another aspect to consider is data aggregation. While PocketGuard emphasizes its commitment to user privacy, it does collect and analyze anonymized data. This data can be valuable for market research and understanding consumer spending trends. While they claim not to sell your personal identifiable information, the aggregated data helps them refine their recommendations and partnerships, ultimately contributing to their affiliate revenue. It's important to remember that PocketGuard is built on the principle of providing value to its users. Their recommendations are intended to be relevant and helpful, not just random ads. Their business model relies on building trust. If they recommend poor products or services, users will lose faith in the platform, and their revenue will suffer. So, in essence, PocketGuard makes money through a combination of affiliate marketing, premium subscriptions, and the utilization of anonymized data. They're not just giving away a free service out of the goodness of their hearts. They're running a business, and they're doing so by leveraging the power of data and partnerships. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.